I can't do it.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl DéjaNikira.
Hey guys, it's your girl DéjaNikira here, and I'm here with, introduce yourself.
Alana.
This is my best friend, and we're going to do our best friend tag today, and pretty much figure out that we don't know each other.
I do know
you. Don't know me.
Yes, I do.
Alright, so that's the first question.
Okay, so the first question is describe your ideal man. Well, my ideal man, you know. Okay.
Alana's ideal man.
Cute.
Cute but ugly. Ugly cute. Like Marcus Black. Where I put money. He gotta have money. He gotta be chocolate and not skinny.
Yeah, except money, cause it's like, I mean, I want you to be broke, but you don't gotta be balling. I mean, I'll ride with you on the bus, okay?
She a damn
I got a car.
She alive.
So we won't have to be on the bus, but I mean, I'm a ride and die. All right.
So do I get that point?
Yeah, you get that point.
Okay.
All right. So for Deja, I put over 6 feet, cause you know. I put chocolate. I put nice smile. Oh, you should have said that, because you know the first thing I look at is teeth. And then I put body noise. That's what I put.
That's your body has to be noise.
Noise. So I got that point. Next one is, do I have any scars and how did I acquire them? I don't really want to write this because it's kind of a story.
Alright, I don't have to write it. So, okay. Alana has a scar on her nose.
I really didn't think you would get that.
I do know that.
You can't really... Oh, right there you can see
She has a scar on her nose. And I don't remember... Did you... Was it a coffee table? All I know is Alana has a scar on her nose. And I don't know how she got it.
I was in pre-K, Head Start, whatever, and I walked into a cubby. He was playing hide and seek. Yes. And then I had to get stitches. And then I got a picture too with a big old... And Deja has a scar like right here. On this side. Okay. And ooh, how she got that?
It was traumatizing. How did you not know this one?
Was it at dance class? Or maybe I remember you came to dance class looking crazy, the white meat showing. I really don't remember how you got it.
I was running around the corner to my grandma's house racing my brother, and they had those drug-free ribbons around the tree, the orange ones, and one was tied on the concrete, and both my feet, and I tripped and fell.
I really had no idea what the story was. I really had no idea.
Yeah.
Right. When and where did you meet me? Basically put that our family is close and that our grandmothers were friends. That's what I put. So Deja was always like, you know, those two, like her and her brother always came to like my family cookouts and parties and stuff.
Alright, so I kind of put the same thing.
So from when we were younger, so that's how I kind of met her. Like I had pictures with her, we was looking busted. I hope she don't put that up, but
we have those.
Don't put that up. I got it.
I'm not putting those.
And like, you know, she was just always that fake cousin that came over like, who are these people?
Put dance school on the top because I think like it was still around the same time. It was around the same time. And then on the bottom it says at either Keisha's house on a holiday, which is facts because I was always...
Keisha's my cousin's mother. Like
I was always at their house on the holidays. Our families grew up together. So.
Oh, shoot. Anyways. So I didn't even know that boy had a WhatsApp. Oh. Okay. Name 3 things I can't live without. Well, I can't live without. All right. Show yours first.
I said penis.
I wanted you to be serious. First of all, I'm holy. And I probably could go longer than her without it. But anyways, I put some real answers. I put Momo, which is her grandma. I put DeVelle, which is her grandma. And then I put some good old penis. Okay. Point for me.
That's the point for a lot of experience. Everybody know my Momo. My Momo, not anyone else's Momo. My Momo. My brother, even though he gets on my nerves.
And I thought you would at least put some real stuff.
Sorry. The last one.
Excuse my language. Penis.
That is valid.
Favorite song? Here. I know it's a Michael Jackson song.
Yeah, that man has many.
I know.
Lana, we don't have to write it.
Yeah. I want to use a lifeline for this one. I'm going to call...
Who are you going to call that's going to know the answer to that?
I don't know. I was thinking DeVal, but I don't even know if he would know that. He might.
Call him.
Should I call him on the phone or call him?
You can call him out loud.
DeVal! Oh, it's DeVal. Here you go. Here go my lifeline. DeVal. What's Deja's favorite song?
My favorite song?
Yeah.
Chris Brown.
He said Chris. No, it has to be a Michael Jackson song.
Rock With You.
Rock With You? Oh, okay.
You could get that.
Thanks.
Rock With You.
Because he didn't answer. Right,
Rock With You. I performed Rock With You in the 5th grade at Atkinson.
My favorite, like, Michael Jackson is You.
A talent show. But my song that I was thinking of was Human Nature.
Girl, but who like that song?
Who doesn't? It was at this moment I was starting to question our friendship. Like, are we really friends? Really?
Out of all the songs?
Of all the songs, Human Nature literally has to be Michael Jackson's, like most so beautiful, melodic.
Yes, it is. Right. I don't take you as a melodic person, but okay.
I listen to Chris Brown. He's not melodic.
All right. What's my favorite song?
I Love You with Faith Evans.
Yeah, that's my shit.
Yeah.
That really is.
Because I know you. What's the next question?
All right. Next question is... We're going to make this quick. Favorite movie?
Jason's Lyric.
No. I haven't seen that
You love Jason's Lyric.
I haven't seen that in mad long. I was like,
The Color Purple?
Me? No. I really watched that movie from beginning to end. It's mad. I feel like I'm basic for saying this.
What is it?
I don't want to say Love and Basketball, but I haven't found a new movie that I love since Love and Basketball. But when I was
That's your favorite movie?
When I was young, I used to always say Love and Basketball. Like High School Down, I haven't found a movie.
I love Beyond Rights.
Okay. Oh, Deja's favorite movie is... Is it? I want to go with Jackson 5 movie.
Yeah! It was at this moment that I realized I needed to take back what I said earlier. She does know me. We are friends. Yes, Jackson 5 is American Dream. All 5 hours and 20-something minutes of it.
I don't watch it past the
I watched it from beginning to end, and I know every line.
I haven't watched it past them.
I don't want you no more. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. That's good. Okay.
You didn't get that point.
I didn't. It's okay.
Next question is favorite color. Green.
Obviously, pink.
Yeah. That was quick. Okay. Celebrity crush. It has to be like music-wise in the industry. Music industry.
What's Diddy's son name? Justin.
Christian.
Justin.
I like Christian.
You don't like
Christian's a dark skin.
The dark skin one. That's the one.
That's Christian.
Oh, well him.
I think he's cute.
Is that your crush?
No.
Oh, fuck you.
Jayceon is my crush, the love of my life. The Game.
The Game.
And for the past, I thought you would have said Little Bow Wow because I used to love me some little ass Bow Wow. Like, remember I used to make the collages?
You did, but
and put it in
I
my
wasn't thinking about him as like past.
I'm your number one fan. Alright. For you, for the past...
I don't like this game no more.
For you, for the past, I'm going to say... Trey Songz.
I bet the name is nobody. He's still fine. I don't know what
But I really don't hear you talk about him anymore.
I don't. My whole Facebook was Deja songs.
Oh, shoot. I forgot. I thought you were cornball. Okay, so Trey Songz, and now I'm going to say Chris Brown.
Because that's my baby for life.
Anyways. You know who else is making...
Mature, fine, like wine self.
Damn, from Power. What's his? Rotimi,
the Nigerian butterscotch. I like your girl. Okay.
He got like that big nose, but he's still fine.
He fine.
Okay.
He my definition of cute ugly. Ugly to some, but cute enough for me. Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Okay. When did you realize we were best friends? It's a story time. Go ahead. I know one. This is when I knew. It was like in 7th or 8th grade. I had got into an argument. You could believe her name out. I had got into an argument with Bianca when we was in Mr. Doyle's class. And I don't remember what the argument was about. It was probably something stupid like a pen or something like that. When me and this girl really started arguing. And then we probably didn't talk for like that whole week. But the next week, I kind of like started like, you know, just talking to her a little bit. And then I remember her and Deja got into like a little argument, and she was so hurt. And she was like, "No, Deja," she said, "because you stopped liking me ever since I got into that argument with Alana." And I'm like, she shook that. I was like, she shook. And I never forgot that. I'm like, she did stop.
I remember that.
She did stop liking Bianca because we got into that argument, and I never forgot that. That was like 7th or 8th grade, and I'm like,
I was like, I don't like you neither. How
like,
about that?
And I remember it was like a dumb argument. It was a dumb argument that we got into, and it was a dumb argument.
Clearly remember that.
And she really was like, "No, because you stopped liking me." She was like about to cry. Like, ever since me and Alana got into our argument, even being mean. And I'm like,
oh well.
Can't sit next to us. Move your desk over. Anyways.
There's no way you can't not be my friend anymore. I know too much about your personal life.
Yeah, deadass. Oh, deadass.
It's like it's really no way around it. Like, be mad for however long you want to be mad, but like.
And you know what else I noticed? That whenever I get into an argument with someone, the first thing they try to do is like turn Deja against me, and it's so weird. I'm like, I have a lot of friends. It's
not gonna work.
It was like. You could bleep the names out again, but it was like, see that. She was like, oh, don't talk that. That time me and Unique got into that argument. You was like, oh, she's so fake. She did it. Oh, coming up to, how do you know when your best friend is too drunk?
Alana gets.
Well, let me start first.
Okay.
I feel like it's hard for me to know when Deja's drunk, because if Deja's drunk, I'm drunk too. I feel like at a party, she just twerks and stuff, and then the text messages will start to like her boyfriend and stuff like that, and then she just want to be lusty, be a thought, and you know, get what she loves.
Alana, when okay, that's right. I twerk everywhere.
Twerk.
I'm twerking on tables, chairs,
twerk that.
the DJ
I'll
booth.
be like,
yep. And Alana definitely drunk text. I could put that's them pictures in here. She drunk text hard, like not even to the point where you could really comprehend the sentence.
I was gonna say, I write incomplete sentences though. Complete sentences
with random A's and S's, Z's all over the place. Alana,
that's because that means I'm
because she's drunk.
But if
I'm about your nails and you're drunk.
No, but I'm gonna say I'll be thinking she know what I'm saying, even though that S not supposed to be. She know what I'm saying.
Whatever.
Know what I'm saying.
She drunk text OD. If on nights that I'm not out with her or nights that I am sober, all of a sudden, I effing love you. Guess what? I'm like, oh, she drunk. But whatever. Go to the next question, because you're not going to argue about you not being... That was the last question?
That was the last question.
So that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed our best friend tag, featuring my most ratchetest bestie. All right, see.
Okay.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, add me on my social media, on my Instagram and Twitter. Those are all in the description bar.
She's gonna put mine in the description bar.
I'll put her information up there. For some odd reason, you guys would wanna
over there.
It'll
be on the bottom.
Add her and my Snapchat, because Snapchat is life. But like always, guys, you know the saying: stay cute and stay blessed.
2 snaps, a twist, and a kiss. No.